Now, MVP head coach Stephen Francis received the highest honour among sports awardees at today's National Honours and Awards ceremony at King's House. Francis was among a record 14 sporting personalities who were honoured.
The man who has guided the careers of the likes of world and Olympic champion Shelly Fraser-Pryce, Asava Powell, Melaine Walker, Michael Frater, Sharon Simpson, Bridget Foster Hilton, and most recently, double Olympic sprint champion Elaine Thompson, was on Monday awarded the Order of Jamaica. In all, Francis's MVP track and field club has contributed to 28 of the nation's 77 Olympic medals and 48 of the nation's World Outdoor Athletic Championship medals.
Well, obviously, like everybody else, I'm elated, and you know, it's a great honor, and you know, it's something that you know you may not think about, but once you have been recognized, then it's important.
Longtime track and field administrator Ian Forbes, who served as a technical leader on Jamaica's team to this year's World Championships in London, was also honoured at the ceremony, receiving the Order of Distinction in the rank of Commander for service through volunteerism in the field of sports and youth mentorship.
Of course, one doesn't necessarily set out to get recognition. One just goes out and try to do one's best in terms of helping to transform lives and to help persons develop and reach their full potential. So I'm very pleased and thankful for this award.
Reggae Boys head coach and former captain Theodore Tapper Whitmore also received the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer.
It's a wonderful feeling, another notch, you know, but it's a great feeling to be here at this moment, that you could be recognized for the service you have provided for your country.
National women's basketball player Simone Edwards, who was the first Caribbean player to make it to the WNBA, also received the Order of Distinction in the rank of officer.
Such an awesome feeling, you know. I've won championship, I've done a lot of things, and nothing compared to this. You know, I've always wanted, from I was a child, I always said I wanted to win a national honor, and now here I am winning it. I didn't die and didn't get it. I'm alive and I'm receiving it, so I'm so grateful and thankful.